Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Binance US with a debit card. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Binance US account. This ensures a secure environment for all your transactions. Once verified, you can easily link your debit card, which allows for quick and convenient funding. Then, we'll walk through navigating to the Buy Crypto section to start your purchase. This process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. To begin, register on Binance US using your email and create a strong, unique password. Next, you must complete the identity verification process, which typically involves submitting a government-issued ID and a selfie. This step is crucial for compliance and security. Finally, enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator or SMS, to add an extra layer of protection to your account. This helps keep your funds safe. Once your account is verified, navigate to the Payment Methods section to add your debit card details. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any delays. After successfully linking your card, go to the Buy Crypto page. Here, you can select from a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Enter the specific amount you wish to spend, review the transaction details, and then confirm your purchase. It's that simple. When buying crypto with a debit card, be mindful of the transaction fees, which are typically around 4–5% per transaction. Also, remember that there are daily and monthly purchase limits, often around $1, $500 daily and $10,000 monthly, depending on your verification level. These limits are in place for security. And speaking of upgrades, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.